Today I'm going to talk a little bit about diamond painting. I'm not really into diamond painting. I never did diamond painting, and I don't really know how the feeling is with diamond painting. Maybe is the word feeling not the correct thing to say, but I never done it, so I cannot tell you will I like it. I will tell you how did I discover diamond painting. I was just watching some YouTube videos, and one of the videos that came by was about diamond painting. And I was thinking, what the heck is diamond painting? So I opened the video and it looks nice. It's a real new kind of hobby for me. So I watched the video, and basically it was from the beginning till top till the end. What is diamond painting, how to diamond painting, and what is more than just this painting. And actually it was around 25 minutes, so it was a long video about diamond painting. And it was a Disney painting, and a friend of mine is completely freak of Disney. Everything what is Disney she knows, she has. And I thought, okay, let me send this link to her. Do you know diamond painting and Disney diamond painting? And I think this is something for you. And she said me, oh, I already have this painting and I have 3 or 4 diamond painting and it's very nice. And then I was thinking, okay, maybe I should order a diamond painting for myself to look if I like it and if it's something for me. And then it came, do I take the round diamonds or do I take the square diamonds? And for my first painting, I ordered one that is round diamonds. And now I'm a little bit afraid because all the videos I see on YouTube are square diamonds. And I will see how it comes. I was thinking maybe to order a new one with square diamonds and see the difference. And I even text the shop what they think it's better, and they say, oh, round diamonds is good. But of course they will do this. And some other people told me you have to buy a light pad to put under your diamond painting to see it better, but I'm not sure if I will buy this for the moment. I first will wait till the painting comes, and then I will look if I like it and if I will buy a light pad and if I will buy more diamond paintings. Which diamond painting I ordered? I ordered this one. This is the stained glass with Donald Duck and his nephews. I ordered the 40 by 50 centimeters canvas, and in the first that I put it in my basket, it was 20 by 30 centimeters. And then I was thinking, no, let me take a bigger one, because on all the websites I see how bigger you take, how better the quality of your pixels in your painting. And this I can understand, because if you have a very small painting, the details are less than if you take a big painting. So I changed this to a 40 by 50 centimeters painting. So yeah, I still have to wait till I receive it. I ordered it 3 days ago and it's now the 1st of August. So I think around 10-15 it should come. I can look on my internet, on my AliExpress account, when it should arrive, but most of the time between 2 and 3 weeks to French. Tell me what you think of diamond painting. You can just comment below. And where do you shop a lot for diamond painting? I have found some shops now on AliExpress or Wish. I never used Wish before, so I really don't know how this system works. And if wish is nice, I ordered a lot of stuff at AliExpress, so I think I'm the platinum member now for them. So yeah, I ordered a lot of stuff with them. And what is your experience with the sizes of canvas? Because I see some videos, people have 60 by 80 or 80 by 60, and I see also people that say, oh, I have the small one, 10 by 15 or 15 by 15, and it's amazing. And I'm not sure if it's really amazing, these small ones. I saw one video from a French guy who bought it at Action. Action is just a shop that we have here and we have in Holland. And it was a 15-15, and it was not that amazing at all. It was some flower or a bird or I don't know anymore, but I didn't like it at all. And I have the stone and glass paintings from, I don't know if I pronounce it correctly, but it's Yunya Boutique store on AliExpress. This is YUHUA. So yeah, I'm not really good in the Asian names, but sorry for this. And do you have any experience with this shop, or tell me where you shop or where you buy your paintings? I see a lot of people say that they have good experience with this one or good experience with this one, that has a bad experience. Some people miss diamonds, or the canvas is not really good, or stick together, or it's folded, or they send it in an envelope and it's broken. And this is what I'm a little bit afraid of, because actually it's not really expensive diamond painting. It's between 5 and 60 euros, depends on the site what you take. 60 euros is a lot of money, but then you have the biggest one they have, because here I have the Disney ones. I can show you that here, and they sell it for between 5 and 50 euro. And then you have the stone and glass, and they show you here 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12 pieces. And yeah, I think it's nice. If it is how it comes on this picture, I would really love to buy more and to do more. So I ordered this Donald Duck from them, and I hope it's worth it and that I like it, and then we will see what will happen. So if you like this video, just put a thumb up, subscribe, push the bell button, and you can see my next video. The next video will be when they delivered the Donald Duck, and I will do an unboxing together with you. I will not unbox the Donald Duck painting before, I just unbox it, recording it directly, so you can see it directly when I see it. So if I'm disappointed, you will see it directly on camera, or you will hear it on camera, because you will see the painting, of course. And after, when I'm not too disappointed, I will start making the painting, and maybe in the meantime you can give me some advice or tips how to start or how to do it. I already saw a bunch of videos about how to start, in the left corner or in the right corner or on the bottom. If it is a very big one, don't start at the bottom, because then you have to scroll down and the stones in the painting will lie on your lap. So yeah, this I can understand. Actually, I saw today a video where someone was doing this, and I was thinking, yeah, this is really not a good thing to do it, because she had a big one. She has one that was 50 or 60 centimeters wide and 1 meter 20 high. So when she was scrolling this down, it was hanging on the ground between her legs and the table. And I was thinking, when you did not fit a diamond good on your canvas, it will fall off or it will fall on the ground or whatever. But just tell me your experience, and I'm glad to read this and to know how to do it, and just give me all your information you have, and I will read it all, sorry, and then we will see each other in a new video, in the unboxing, and I hope it really comes soon because I cannot wait to see what they send me. So for now I will say thank you, take care of yourself, and I will see you real soon.